It has been raining almost every day these last few weeks, and the ground has been wet. And I have these garden soil here, well, actually, this compost to put in the new area that I'm expanding. I'm trying to expand the flower bed along here, but it's been too wet to come outside and play. So today is not a good day for planting. Tulips are playing in the garden, so we'll try again tomorrow. Today's the day. Bulb planting day. Yes, I'm in the garage. Gotta get to the garage fridge. So I'm getting my tulip bulbs. Oh wow. I promise you every time I get a plant bulbs, I'm amazed at how many bulbs I actually have. Good morning, everyone. Good cold morning. It is 57 degrees Fahrenheit, or for everyone else, it's 13 degrees Celsius. And I don't do cold weather, so yes, I am bundled up. I have layers upon layers on. So once I start working, I think I can take this off because I have other layers under here. But today we're gonna be planting up our tulips. I got these out of the fridge. They were in my garage since I think it's October. I'm going to insert the date that I actually put them in the fridge right now. This one does not look good. It's a bit molded. So these are candy stripe and the other one is ice cream banana. Alright, so they are tucked away in a cool, dark place. Well, I'm going to put them in the fridge now. Alright, so today is October 13th. So I will come back in January. So you can see the date better on here, October the 13th. So I'll come back in January. So I'm going to give you a full 12 weeks and get them planted. Okay, so that's the date that I put them in the fridge. So because I'm in Florida, we have to have a chill period because we don't get cold enough for the tulips to enter their dormant phase. So taking them out the fridge, and I'm going to let you know what varieties I have. So actually, if you see on my paper here, it says late order 11/20/23. So this one actually went in the fridge later. So that's November, December. That's 2 months. That's 8 weeks. Because today's the 13th. Today's January 13th. So that's a little shy of 2 months. And the reason why these are late is because the first batch that I got, some of them were rotten. So they sent me another one, a replacement one. So that's that. So this is from Holland Bulb Farm. This is the first time I'm ordering from them. I normally order from Longfield Gardens. So I will see how these do. And the bulbs are looking nice. I'm going to show you what they look like. Ooh. Oh, these are the rotted ones. So I'm going to put them in a separate area and see if they actually bloom. So I'm not going to put them with the good ones. All right, so I didn't get that many because, like I said, I haven't purchased from Holland Bulbs before, so I want to see how they do. And not only that, I knew I was changing my garden, and right now, today, I have a lot of stuff I'm going to do today because it has been raining like crazy. Like every day it's been raining. I was going to put them in ground, but because it's so wet, I don't want the bulbs to rot. So I'm going to end up just putting them in containers. It's not that many anyways. And I also working on the new layouts for my garden. Let me show you where I am with that. Okay, so I started expanding my garden bed and I'm taking a break because I ran out of soil. I need some more compost. So I'll tackle that later. Let's get back to my bulbs. All right, here's my dilemma for the dye. I have banana ice cream double latte tulip which is these right here. The problem is, see, it says banana ice cream bulbs. I got these from Holland Bulb, and I emailed them. They never sent me the replacement for these. They only sent me the replacement for the candy cane ones, and these look pretty. This doesn't look healthy, so I'm gonna just plant these 3 by themselves. Actually, I'm gonna plant this one by itself. This one looks good, but these 2 don't look viable, so I'm gonna plant them separately from this one. I still kept them in the fridge, but I never got my replacement order. Holland Bulbs, you didn't send me my replacement order, so now these are the candy striped tulip duo. So it's actually 10 of them. I took them all out and they look pretty good. Excuse my hand, I was digging into the dirt, creating a new garden bed. And then, so I took out the ones that were rotted and they sent me a replacement one. The replacement ones don't look too great either. Some of them, and these look okay. But then you have, right here, another one right here. I'll pull up, and then I have, let me show you all the rotted ones I took out, which is these in here. So you have these. Yes, I did label them, but these are the ones that are all shriveled up, rotted, and I got to take out some of the late order that they got a replacement one. It sent to me a month later, so I got to take some of those out because those are also rotted. So those are definitely done for the season. It is January 13th, time for them to go. Those were here for the Christmas decor that we had going on. Yep, sneak peek of one of my plants that I have. So I'm gonna get rid of that. I'm gonna get this filled with soil, with some potting soil, and get started. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I must divide this into 10 and do 10 in each of the big containers, and the late ones I got, I'm gonna do 10 in the middle because I'm not sure if the late ones are gonna bloom because it was only 8 weeks. It may bloom, so that's the plan. So let's get started. So this is what we're gonna be planting. This is a candy stripe one. And I'm going to be planting it pointy side up. If yours is deformed, just put it on the side if you're not sure. So see, this side is going to be up, and it's the bottom where the roots are going to be coming from. And then these are the ones I got late. So I'm gonna put 10 in the middle. I should do 5. Get you to 5. Because some of these are also rotted, so I'm not gonna have enough. Actually, it's got some blemishes. It's not rotted, but it's got a blemish on it. Like this one doesn't look in great shape. So I'm selecting the better ones for this pot. So it should be, so late ones are in the middle. That got less chill time, and the one that got longer chill time, like 12 weeks, these are going to be on the outside. I'm going to put another layer over them to cover them up. I'm going to put them a little bit deeper this way if I need to come in and put anything on top, I will be able to do so. I most likely won't though put anything on top. Actually, I'm gonna put some more in this one too. Yeah, I'm gonna put late ones in here. Yep, so I made this one a late container. I think I'm gonna make this super full and see. Everybody getting close together, touch each other. So I'm going to put the rest on that side over there. Do the same thing on that side. Alright, so I added some bulb tone to the hole. I'm going to put the rotted ones in there and see if they come up. And then I have over here, I'm going to put the yellow ones in here, the banana cream, whatever it is. It's called ice cream banana. And I put bulb tone in that as well, bulb tone in the containers, now to get everything covered up. And I still have weeding to do, but it is too cold to be relaxing out here like that. I just have to get the bulbs in because it was time for them to get in. I don't want to miss the window. Alright, so this is what we are working with. I got the tulips potted up. I'm going to keep the purple flowers. I have to put them in another container, so I will do that another time. My climbing rose is on this Christmas holly. I got to come in and prune it along with these roses over here. And they're all covered up. And I just put some bulb tone on top of it. And I also have some right here and some right there. So it is too cold, guys. I can barely talk because it's freezing. So I'm going to come back out. Hopefully it doesn't rain, and I'm going to try and keep the bulbs dry as well. I don't want them to get wet. I don't want to get rot.